Hey folks, let's boil some peanuts. I've got 3 pounds of green, frozen, vacuum packed peanuts. Got water boiling, 4 gallons of water. Let's get some peanuts to boiling. Follow this recipe exactly. Great peanuts, great boiled peanuts. Okay, next thing, I've got 4 gallons of water boiling. 4 gallons of water, 1 1/4 cup of ice cream salt. This is what you want to do. Get the water, bring it to a boil. Now let's add the peanuts. I've got 3 pounds of peanuts, 3.5 pounds. Pour the peanuts in. Remember, you want your water boiling before you pour in the peanuts. Peanuts are in, put the lid back on it, bring it back to a boil. Then we're going to set a timer. This won't take but about 3 or 4 minutes. As you can see, the peanuts have started boiling again. Took about 5 minutes to bring them to a boil. Put the top on it, put the lid on it, lock it down, and set a timer for 2 hours. Now that the peanuts are boiling, let me explain the method to my madness. When you boil peanuts, a lot of people will boil them, put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. Always freeze your peanuts green. I vacuum pack my peanuts. That way they don't get frostbite on it, the ice crystals. Put them in the freezer, take them out, run a little warm water over them. It thaws them out, put them in the water boiling, and you'll wind up with peanuts that taste like they just come out of the ground. Now, with that being said, when boiling peanuts, you want your water already boiling with salt in it. Peanuts absorb the salt whenever they're sitting. You put peanuts and water in there and salt, and then bring it to a boil. The peanuts are going to start absorbing water at that point. Wait till the water's boiling, put the peanuts in it, boil them 2 hours, exactly 2 hours, and then cut the heat off. Let those peanuts set in the brine for 10 minutes, no more than 15. Then drain them, and then you've got peanuts that have been frozen, but they taste fresh, like green boiled peanuts. Remember that, you'll have peanuts every time. We're gonna let these boil for 2 hours. We'll be back in 2 hours through the magic of film and show you what they look like, what they taste like, and everything that was done to them. Y'all stick around. Boiled green peanuts. Peanuts been boiling about an hour and a half. Got about 30 minutes left, then we'll do the soak. Y'all stay with us. Hey, these peanuts been going for 2 hours. I want to taste them and make sure they're done. They appear to be done just by looking at the outside. Those are perfect. Now we're gonna let them soak. I'm gonna cut the heat off and let them soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna drain them and bag them up, and then we'll be ready for peanuts for 2 or 3 days. Boiled peanuts, y'all, we're almost there. Okay, we've done a 10-minute soak. It's time to take them up. And I put them in one of these little cardboard slats. Put them in there, let them drain. And I promise you, if you follow my directions for this recipe, 4 gallons of water, 3 to 4 pounds of green peanuts, 1 1/4 cup of salt, boil them 2 hours. After 2 hours, cut the heat off, let them soak in the brine for 10 minutes, and then take them up, bag them up, and eat them up. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for joining me for this boiled peanut afternoon. Man, these gonna be some good nuts.